Hey guys, I've got some great news for you today. Endorphin version 1 is officially released. This new version is more stable, accurate, and now includes multi-user test support. Let me show you how it works step by step. Step 1. Install Endorphin. First, we'll install Endorphin using npm. Keep in mind it might take a little time since it installs additional packages like Playwright, LangChain, and supporting libraries. Once it's done, let's verify the installation. npx endorphin version. Awesome! We see Endorphin AI at 1.0. That's exactly what we want. Step 2. Initialize the project. Let's initialize our Endorphin project. npx endorphin init. After initialization, Endorphin creates a folder with files and example tests and a recommended structure for your tests and setup. Step 3. Add OpenAI API key. Before we run anything, we need to add our OpenAI API key to the .env file. I've added mine. Now we're ready to run tests. Step 4. Write a multi-user test. Today I want to show you how to write a multi-user test. We'll create a file called multi.ts. In this test, we'll simulate multiple users up to 5. Each user can perform actions independently. I'll define their steps using the tasks array. Here's a simple example. That's it. We don't even need to generate users or pass data. It's all built in. Step 5. Run the test. Now let's run it. You can run it using npx endorphin run test multi.ts. You will see 2 browser windows. 2. No verification is required in this example, just simple navigation tasks. And because everything ran correctly, the validation agent marks the test as passed. Advanced multi-phase user flow. Now let's try a more advanced scenario. We'll create a multi-phase test where users perform actions in sequence. Phase user 2. We just need to structure our tasks using phases and Endorphin will handle the rest. Let's run it. All test phases ran successfully and each browser followed its assigned steps. Step 6. Generate and view the report. Let's generate a test report. npx endorphin report. Open it in your browser. And you'll see some markers is a decision history per user and per phase. Everything's clearly displayed. Great for debugging and validation. Thanks for watching. You can find the full documentation and multi-user testing guide on our site. This is just the beginning. Now you can test real-world multi-user scenarios in plain English with no extra boilerplate. Try it out and let us know what you build with Endorphin AI. Happy web testing!